Imagine the late 1920s and early 1930s. Roads were rapidly changing, commerce was expanding, and automakers were seeking practical solutions to carry heavier loads. It was in this context that the Ford Model AA appeared, a stronger and more durable counterpart to the famous Model A, built for heavy-duty work and daily transport tasks. The Model AA was manufactured between 1927 and 1932 as a versatile commercial chassis capable of supporting dozens of body types. Ford offered it as flatbed trucks, dump bodies, delivery vans, ambulances, and even small bus platforms. Replacing the older Ford TT, it quickly became indispensable in cities and rural areas, serving merchants, farmers, and municipal services. Under the hood was a four-cylinder gasoline engine from the Model A with a displacement of 3.3 liters, equivalent to about 201 cubic inches, and an output of roughly 40 horsepower, around 40 horsepower. Power was delivered through a four-speed manual transmission, including a very low granny gear that provided strong torque at low speeds, allowing the truck to start smoothly, even when fully loaded. Ford produced the Model AA with multiple wheelbase options. The most common were 3.34 meters, approximately 131.5 inches, and 4.0 meters, around 157.5 inches. Shorter wheelbases were ideal for urban deliveries, while the longer versions were preferred for buses, tankers, or larger commercial bodies. Maximum speed depended on load and gearing, but lighter configurations could reach around 65 to 70 kilometers per hour, about 40 to 43 miles per hour. Payload capacity was approximately 1.5 metric tons, equivalent to around 3,300 pounds, and many versions were fitted with dual rear wheels for better stability and weight distribution. This feature enhanced performance when carrying heavier loads over rough or unpaved roads. The braking system remained mechanical, yet larger drum brakes provided sufficient stopping power for commercial use. An interesting feature of the Model AA was its wheel evolution. Early trucks used wire-spoked wheels, which were gradually replaced with 20-inch pressed steel rims. Later versions could accommodate twin rear tires, further increasing load capacity and reliability. The Model AA's influence extended beyond the United States. In the Soviet Union, its design inspired the famous GAZ-AA, which became a widely used workhorse. Across Europe, the Model AA served small transport companies, municipal services, and bus operators, proving Ford's concept adaptable and internationally effective. Today, the Model AA is a prized classic among collectors and enthusiasts. Its mechanical simplicity, robustness, and availability of parts make restoration possible even after decades. Restored examples often appear in vintage vehicle shows, museums, and private collections, impressing viewers with their historical authenticity. In summary, the Ford Model AA was not the fastest nor the flashiest truck of its era, but it was highly practical. It became a true workhorse of its generation, providing essential transportation for commerce, industry, and municipal services. Its adaptability, simplicity, and durability turned it into a timeless symbol of utility vehicles. If you enjoyed this story about the Ford Model AA and want to explore more iconic vehicles, be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and click the notification bell so you never miss new episodes. Many more fascinating histories from the world of classic automobiles are coming up.